This is the Rejuv Project MVP app demo. There are two main user pathways for the app, growing and shopping. First, I'm going to go through the growing process. For growing, the user starts by selecting a seed under a company they want to support. After selecting a company, the user then can input a time for how long they want to stay off their phone and stay committed to the time off. Then, they grow the plant. On the growing page, there is a timer for how long the user needs to stay on the app for the plant to finish fully growing. If the user exits the app at any time during the growing phase, then it will use a break. Breaks are 5 minutes of leeway time for the user to use their phone while being away from the app. If the user has 0 breaks left, their plant will die when they exit the app. If the user makes it to the end of the timer without killing the plant, then yay! The user will have created a grown plant. The user will then have 3 options: to sell, grow, or burn the plant. When selling the plant, the user will have input a name and description for the plant. They will also have an option to have a percentage of the proceeds go to them instead of it all going to the company they selected. When selecting grow after you're done with growing a plant, that will take the user through the growing process again. But instead of selecting a seed, they start with the plant that they just finished growing. By doing this, it will increase the value of the plant and change how it looks. The final option, burning, is the last resort. By burning the plant, it will permanently get rid of the unique digital plant grown by the user. This option is available because of the art for the plant would be randomly generated by program instead of pre-drawn. This means users can get an ugly plant that will not sell on the market. Even though the digital plant is being deleted, the user is still donating to charity. Now let's check out the market. The market is a place for auctioning plants. Plants will have a starting price proportional to the time grown, but they can be sold for higher prices if the art generated is pretty. Plants are bought as NFTs with Rejuv coins. Rejuv coin will be our own cryptocurrency for the app. Users can obtain the coin either by connecting their wallet and trading other existing cryptocurrency for Rejuv, or by receiving it from when they sell a plant. When bidding for a plant, the user will get information on the plant, company it supports, plant name, description, and bidding price. The user has the option to bid for the plant at the moment or selecting want, so they could bid on it later. That's all for the MVP. Thank you for listening.